Laundry room remodel services. A well-designed laundry room can drastically improve the functionality and storage. We can help make laundry easier and more enjoyable in managing the never-ending task of washing and folding clothes. Our experienced team of designers and contractors are here to help you design a space that is both stylish, functional, and helpful. Does remodeling the laundry room add value? Yes, a laundry room renovation does add value to the home. Many homeowners find that aside from the added value in the new updated design, having a remodeled laundry room makes completing chores more efficient and enjoyable. By incorporating more storage space and installing beautiful materials, you create an inviting and functional space. This type of renovation often requires less time and money than other areas in the home, creating an easier return on investment while improving both in terms of aesthetic appeal and functionality. Looking for laundry room remodel contractors near you? Hiring a reliable and organized remodeling contractor can make sure that you get high-quality results on time, taking some of the stress out of the process. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we have experienced and highly qualified professionals who are dedicated to providing quality services. We understand the burden of renovating an entire space, and that's why we strive to deliver projects on time while keeping customer satisfaction in mind. Our friendly staff are always willing to answer your questions or address concerns you may have along the way. With years of experience working within the industry, our team guarantees success when it comes to any remodeling project, from start to finish. Laundry room organization. Even the smallest of laundry rooms can be highly effective spaces. Utilizing vertical organization techniques is key to a neat, uncluttered environment that still stores all the necessary items. Not only can we transform your old, dreary mud room, laundry room into something much more cheerful and inviting, but we also offer fast turnaround times, competitive prices, and exceptional workmanship. With decades of combined experience, we'll do whatever it takes to make sure your project is completed on time and within budget, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Let our experienced team help give your laundry room a brand new look as your free consultation awaits. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.